focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time.
Bye bye, Sonia.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I just hope this mic is picking up this voice, because I noticed that the last video that I uploaded, or is it not the last video, 2 videos, like a sit down videos I did, actually not vlog, but I actually used this mic. It was really low and I don't know why, and I was on top of my voice. That's the annoying part. So I don't know if the fault is from the phone or the fault is from the mic. Anyways, welcome back to another beautiful vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So yesterday I went to the market and I got a whole lot. I came back very late. I wasn't able to vlog too much. Anyways, that's by the way. This hair, I want to chop it off with this scissors. And what I want to do is that I don't want it to be too low. So I just want to comb. Let's see what I'm doing so that you continue. I just want to comb and take off these relaxed parts so that this virgin part can come out nicely. The relaxer I used before, the very day I used that relaxer, I actually give that relaxer a very good recommendation. This is not me spoiling anybody's products. I'm talking about Olive here. I'm not spoiling Olive's products. Just that I just noticed that it's not good for my hair, okay? Because the very day I retouched my hair, it was all nice and it was okay by me. But subsequently, I'm seeing that my hair is changing color. Aside changing color again, the hair is really like I don't even know what to explain. I just noticed that it's not really okay for my hair. So let me just remove this part and let's go back to our virgin hair. I'm not joking. No. Whew. See, the hair is not growing nicely at all.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you
Guys, welcome to another beautiful vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing you, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop your comment, and lastly do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. So guys, our gas finished yesterday. See, there was one video I watched that one lady said gas usually finish in the night. Is it true? Let me know in the comment section, because my own actually finished in the night and there was nothing we can do. So but the good part that we're thanking God is that we're not having like leftover food that will get spoiled so easily. We only had white rice and egg sauce that was remaining, and you know, till now it has not gotten spoiled. So we're going to fill the gas now. After filling the gas, then we'll come back, warm our food, and then eat our breakfast, have our breakfast. Anyways, enjoy the rest of this vlog. I don't have much to say. Let's just start going, okay? Carry the gas and put the gas on.
And as I put it
I'm back from filling the gas. My phone went off because it was 4% when I left the house, so my phone went off immediately. I got to the gas filling station. I was like, this vlog that I wanted to make it vloggy, what is this? Anyways, I just want to warm the remaining rice so that I can eat. I'm so hungry. Okay. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hi guys, hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. So guys, I was sleeping after I finished all my YouTube video ideas, jotting down and the rest of that. I just went straight to bed. I slept the past 4, then I came back, start editing videos. I think one of the videos supposed to be going up today. And then right now I want to start my TikTok live stream, okay? You guys know that there is no way I cannot go on live. There is no way I cannot go on live throughout one day. I don't know. It's already part of me, okay? So, and I know how to like schedule myself. So anyways, I'm bringing this vlog to an end because I already have my tripod here, you guys. I already have my tripod here for my TikTok live stream. So right now, if I'm going to be live streaming, I'll be live streaming till like 11 p.m. This is to 7 already. So I'll be live streaming till 11 p.m. And this is what I do when I live stream, okay? Where is this stuff? Let me bring this bulb out. So when I'm live streaming, I always use this bulb. Yes, I don't use this the solar lights directly. So I use this bulb, the one that comes with this fan, so that can you see that, so that I can have a very clear live stream. Can you guys see? This is just one of the bulb. One. That's what I'm telling you guys. If you are not buying a lantern, what are you waiting for? Go and get lantern products. Seriously, I've talked about lantern products several times. If you've not gotten yours, I wonder what you're actually waiting for. Hobby is sleeping. He came back from work. He ate, showered, and then he's sleeping. My madam is also in her room. She says she's not coming out today, and probably she's expecting me to come and beg and be like, oh, please come out. But no way. I just left her there, okay? Because I know that whenever she's hot, she will definitely come out. That's by the way. So it's just me here in the sitting room, and I'll be starting my live stream now. So thank you for staying hooked and stick with me to the end of this vlog. Let me know what my low cut is giving. Is this low cut, do you prefer it to on my hair, or you prefer me making hair? Let me know in the comment section. You guys know that my life is just like this. My life is like this, like a slip of finger. When I just turn like this and I feel like I just want to cut it, I don't think about it, okay? Once I just tell hobby accepted, I'll just run and go and cut it, okay? So immediately I told him that I'm tired of this hair, let me just cut this hair. He was like, no problem. And that relaxer really did something really terrible to my hair. Anyways, we'll be going all the way to virgin hair. So, but anyways, I'm considering spreading this hair. Should I spray it? Hobby also recommended that I spray. He said I should spray gold, but I'm also considering spreading it. But if I should, I'll probably be going for that gold that he already suggested. Let me know in the comment section, do you think that spraying this hair will fit me? Do you think? Let me know, because my face is looking like puff now. Anyways, no bad energy, okay? If you're tired of something, just change your look. Don't be stuck like stockfish in one place, okay? So like I said, I'll be bringing this vlog to an end, and I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, subscribe. Like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this. I am, with no further ado, guys, I do like all the my videos. I'm going to be saying bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. So for now, peace out. I love you guys.